DeMarco. Welcome to Sharp Trade. This is a free day trading course. This would be part of the first packet of videos that I'll put out that show you how to do wealth management for yourself. My name is DeMarco Lampkin. I'm the CEO of Lampkin and Associates, which is a certified public accounting firm. We do bookkeeping services. We do business tax services, consulting services for accounting, finance. We help set up like corporations, LLCs, general partners, limited liabilities, what have you. But here we'll be teaching day trading. So we also do swing trading, long-term investments, option trading, futures, you name it. But day trading is the beginning of all of that. It's a foundation for all those types of investment vehicles. So with that said, we're going to jump right into the material. Quick update. This course is absolutely free of charge. However, please take this course at your own risk. Day trading is a risky profession, and most day traders lose money in their first year. This is not financial advice. Here we will learn from each other. Thank you for attending. I am forever grateful. God first. Course outline. So today, actually, we'll talk about number one, starting up and onboarding. Two, we'll talk about some day trading terminology, and then we'll wrap it up for this part. But please, people, try to start up, like get started and do the onboarding stuff. And what I mean by onboarding is the TD Ameritrade, but we'll get into that. So 3, understanding candlestick patterns. That'll come in another video later on. 4, support and resistance. This will show you how to understand support and resistance and understand exit and entry points. 5, stock scanners and types of catalysts. This is how to find the hot stocks to invest in. 6, understanding graphs and technical analysis. So technical analysis is looking at those graphs, understanding and being able to identify when to come in and out of a market. All right. 7, paper trade versus live trade. I do recommend everybody go with the paper trade until you get the firm understanding. Unless you got some experience, you can go live right away. And last but not least is strategies and indicators. All right. Next slide. So onboarding. So please do this as soon as possible if you want to day trade with me. If you already have a TD Ameritrade account and you already downloaded the platform Thinkorswim, we're good. So just open up your TD Ameritrade account. I know it says interactive brokers too. You could do that too as well. But if you want to ask me questions about how the Thinkorswim platform works, which that's the platform we'll be using to do all our day trading in, please open the TD Ameritrade account. Also, you need to have a laptop or desktop. And then you need to have a trade view account. And this is to analyze your wins. So, first thing you need to do, open a TD Ameritrade account. Go to tdameritrade.com, open an account, open an individual cash account. You can see it in the slides. I kind of led you to it. It's the yellow highlights. Fill that stuff out. Get it all filled out. When you're selecting your account or getting set up, make sure you do not select margin account. Always, or for this purposes, select the cash account. If you select the margin account, you'll run into this PDT. PDT is pattern day trader rule. This states if you don't have $25,000 or above in your TD Ameritrade account, you are subject to only make 4 trades over a 5-day period. So that's why you don't want a margin account. But I'll just read this to you so you guys have a better understanding. March 11, 2021, a pattern day trader, PDT, is a regulatory designation for those traders or investors that execute 4 or more day trades over the span of 5 business days using a margin account. The number of day trades must constitute more than 6% of the margin account's total trade activity during a 5-day window. So nothing will really happen here if you violate this, but they will flag your account and they'll probably shut it down. So just make sure you open up a cash account. So going back to TD Ameritrade. So TD Ameritrade. Once you open the account up, they're gonna ask you a few pieces of information. They're gonna ask you for your social security number, or your ITIN number. Don't put an ITIN number. It would be a business account. You're not trading for a business. You're trading for yourself. So your social security number. Also, they might ask you for a foreign tax ID, passport, or visa number. I guess if you're a foreigner. And also, they're going to ask your employer name, address, and your phone number. And I recommend putting your employer name and your rights information because they might revisit that and make, I don't know. It might come to where they'll look at that and say, okay, this person makes X amount of money. We feel comfortable giving them a margin account. But just try to be correct with filling out the information and honest as possible. All right. So once we get the TD Ameritrade account, we now have to install the Thinkorswim. So if you're having any type of troubles installing it, you can call this number right here in the green. It's 1-800-672-2098, and you can call it between the hours, the standard, or during Eastern Standard Time. Office hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Cool. So on the TD Ameritrade website, select Open Account. Scroll down to the bottom where it says Open an Account. B, download the 64-bit, right, platform. Let's just think it's one. 2, when the box appears, make your selection. Select TD Ameritrade as your trading platform. 3, next box, license agreement. A, click the yes button. B, install all users on this computer. C, you will see Thinkorswim downloading in the left-hand corner of your computer. 4, next box says create the Thinkorswim group and icon. A, click the yes button. 5, next click box to create desktop icon. 6, the icon will appear on your desktop and will look like this. This is the icon we're looking for. This black background with this like greenish star in the middle. That's your Thinkorswim. That's where you'll be doing all your trading at. Next slide. So now back to the terminology real fast. A lot of people don't know this, so I'm just run through this real quick and hopefully this is helpful. What is a stock? Stock is also known as equity or security. Stocks represent a percentage of ownership in a corporation. All right. Well, what is an exchange? An exchange is where you can buy and sell. Okay. B, an example of exchange is the New York Stock Exchange. Types of stocks. So you have blue chip stocks, which are the large caps and mega caps like Apple. Growth stocks are companies that have large growth in sales year over year. Again, like another Apple. Speculative stocks are unknown companies with smaller market caps that have potential for growth. These are more riskier, but they have more gains, I guess, if you guess correctly. 4, what's market cap? Market cap is the total dollar value of all shares of the company stock. All right. 5, an example of a company with 20 million shares that sells it at $50 a share will have a billion market cap. 6, day trading. Day trading refers to buying and selling a stock within the same day. All right, so I think that's it for the terminology. Thank you guys for coming out. I'll be posting more stuff, and I'm looking forward to having fun with you guys. Have a good one.